So this is what your Madison Reed box will look like with everything inside. This is what my hair looked like before I dyed it. You can see the roots are dark brown and it's a brassy red color. And this is the color that I'm going to be using, the Trieste Red. So first I'm going to apply the barrier cream so it doesn't stain my skin when I dye my hair. Then I'm going to mix up the dye with the conditioning cream and apply it to the roots of my hair. You're supposed to separate your hair into 4 different sections, but since my hair is so short, that's kind of hard for me to do, so I just kind of did the best with what I could do. So after you're done coloring your roots, you're going to want to go back and color the rest of your hair, making sure you get from root to the ends really well so that we don't have any missed spots when you get finished, because you're not going to want to go back and do it again. So I go through each section several times, really saturating it with a dye just to be double sure. And there's my husband videoing for me. He's pretty legit. So now I'm going to use the cleansing wipe to get off any hair dye that I might have accidentally got on my face or on my hairline when I was dyeing my hair. Now I'm going to set my timer for 45 minutes. And here I'm waiting. Love my Christmas socks. So now I'm going to rinse out all the hair dye after I left it on for 45 minutes. And then I'm going to use their shampoo that they sent in the box after I make sure that all the hair dye is out. You want to rinse out your hair until the water is completely clear of color. So I am done coloring my hair with the Trieste Red color, and if you can see, this is how it came out. I left it on for 45 minutes and I'm pretty happy with it. It's pretty dark, but you can still see that it's that red, and then in the sunlight it's a lot brighter than it is in here with the bathroom lights. So again, just loved it. Turned out exactly how I wanted it to. Hopefully I'll get to do another video. I really want to experiment more and maybe mix some colors. I don't know, we'll see. So if you like this video, let me know, comment. Sometimes they give me coupons for $15 off. So if you are thinking about ordering and you want to use their products, just let me know and I may have a coupon or a deal left. I will put my affiliate link below, so if you want to check out their site and check out what they're about and what's in their hair dyes and their shampoos and everything, I can help you get that information. So I hope this was helpful, and hope you check out the other videos on my channel as well. Bye. See ya.